What's up, guys? Today I'm about to show you a video that a lot of you guys have been requesting me download below in the comments. It's about 2019 Toyota Rav4, and today we're gonna show you how to upgrade your fog lights, your regular bulb to LED. I already have it set on my car, and today I'm gonna show you guys another set that I'm gonna be installing on my car. It's really easy. It's not that hard. I'm gonna show you the tools that I'm gonna be using. It's not that complicated, guys. You can do it by yourself, and I'm gonna show you the whole process. And stay to the end, guys, so you guys can see what I'm talking about, how they came out at the end. And don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next one, guys. This one is the new ones that I'm gonna be installing. It's called Rav4 LED lighting, and that's the specifications on the lights that we're gonna be installing. They cost me about $30. They really nice. This is the tools we're gonna be using. Is flag screwdriver and one of these tools. They has to be thin in the Toyota Rav4, so we remove those bolts from there so we can have access to the fog lights. That's the only way how to do it. You turn your wheel to the left and then to the right, depending on the side that you're working in, so you got more space there. And let's get into it, guys. So guys, let's work on it. For this, it's not that hard. You can use a good screwdriver. That's how it look like. So we're ready to remove that one, those ones. Now we're gonna use this to remove those small things, small clip. Just be careful you don't break it down. Take your time on this. You don't want to break anything. That's the third one. Something like that. It remains there. That's how you look when you disconnect the socket. You just push down like that, and it's gonna come up like that. That's the blue ones that I have before, and now I'm gonna install the white ones. That's how they look, guys. That's the blue ones. That one is LED. The ones that we disinstall now. We're gonna install these white ones. They're better at night time. plug down there. Everything should be good to go. Before putting on the socket there, just connect everything and text it just in case, and make sure everything is working, and then put it there. Okay, don't do it that before, because you could have put it wrong there, and then you have to get it out of there. You know what I mean? Check first and then put it back in there. So guys, the same step, putting everything back in place. Put everything where it was before. That way, guys. You guys can see the way. Really easy. Make sure it's tight. You don't have to tie it down much because it's plastic. You can break it down, but make sure it's not loose, so you don't lose the bolt and the plastic is used insecure. How you take this like that, put it back up, and put it back in the place, I guess. Let's go to the other side is basically the center steps. guys. I have that one before, the blue ones. I'm removing those because I get pulled over once. That's why I'm installing this one. One of the cities nearby where I live, they just pull me over because the light they say it's too bright, but I don't care, you know. But I'm replacing it with a white one, and when the winter is coming back, I'm putting those back. So look at nighttime, guys, really bright, man. Happy with the results. Really bright, man. Look at how bright it is. Good, man. Good visibility on nighttime, man. Really cool. We commend you guys getting down. That one's brighter than my OEM. The headlights are LED too, but this one is brighter than that. When look at the ground, and it's still clear outside. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below and give it a thumbs up, and comment down below if you like it, and let me know what another video you want me to make about the Rav4. That's good, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.